Hey there, neighbors. In today's episode of Next Upgrade, we're going to take a look at what we think are the top 10 smart devices that you can get from Samsung today. Kicking off the list is something every living room should have, or at least my living room should have. This is Samsung Neo QLED 8K TV. And as you can probably tell from the name, it delivers gorgeous 8K resolution images with Samsung's trademark clarity and color. The Quantum Matrix LEDs that Samsung uses for this TV offer super precise contrast and brightness for superior detail, while Neo Quantum HDR Plus technology creates greater depth in the already true-to-life colors on the screen. Pair all that with a true Dolby Atmos sound and you've got the centerpiece of an amazing home theater. Plus, I hear it also makes for a crazy immersive gaming experience. But let's say you want to go even bigger than a TV. The next item on our list can give you an image as huge as 120 inches. We present to you the Premier Projector by Samsung, which uses cutting-edge laser technology to give you 4K quality video at up to 2,200 lumens of brightness, which means you get good projection even in brighter rooms. You can also turn on Filmmaker mode, which adjusts the color to be as accurate as possible to what movie directors envision. The built-in speaker is also no slouch when it comes to its performance, giving you a good foundation for your surround sound system. And since it's got Bixby and Alexa built in, controlling it is a breeze. It's also just a really aesthetic projector and blends in beautifully with modern interiors. Alright, now let's hop on over to the gaming room. The next smart device on this list is the Samsung Odyssey Neo G9, a curved gaming monitor that puts you right in the middle of every game. It's an absolute monster of a monitor, measuring 57 inches and filling all that space with crystal clear images thanks to its Quantum Mini LEDs and HDR 1000. And with a 240 MHz refresh rate and a blisteringly fast 1 millisecond response rate, it doesn't just make games look good, but it also enhances your performance, especially in games that need quick reflexes like Tekken. If you want other people in your smart home to spectate the awesome games you'll be playing on the Odyssey Neo, set them up with the Samsung Smart Monitor M8. This monitor lets you stream any video from other sources wirelessly and without the need for a PC. You can use it to share videos, notes, photos, and messages with people anywhere in the house. What I like about this is its compatibility with Samsung's SmartThings enabled devices, creating a seamless smart ecosystem in your home. It even works with the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Ring, which makes this monitor all the more exciting. For numbers 5 and 6 on our list, we're hopping over to the kitchen. The Samsung Family Hub is one of my favorite devices ever, and it also highlights all the possibilities of a smart home. This smart fridge doesn't just help you keep track of what's inside and provide recipes, it's also designed to bring the family closer together by helping you keep in touch with each other with notes, reminders, and calls. We talk a lot about this device over in this episode, so feel free to check that out when you're done watching this one. Next up is a Samsung Smart Oven with Hot Blast technology, which is just as impressive as it sounds. This smart appliance literally blasts your food with waves of hot air, which makes for even shorter cooking time than air fryers, which only circulate hot air. The design of the smart oven also lets you steam and grill foods with the help of included add-ons, while cleanup is easy thanks to its ceramic interiors. Check this, you can just wipe it clean with a cloth and soapy water, no scrubbing. And since it's a smart appliance, you can control it remotely and even schedule cook times on really busy days. And now, let's go talk about a couple of helpful cleaning tools. Number 7 on our list is the Samsung Air Dresser, which is an innovative way to take care of your clothes. Think of it as sort of a smart closet. It's a space where you can keep clothes, but it can also do so much more. For example, it can gently remove dust and dander from fabric using a combination of its air hanger and jet air features, which use streams of air to blow these particles off of your clothes. It can also use steam to kill off bacteria and viruses while also getting rid of wrinkles. With its heat pump technology, the air dresser even dries your clothes gently. And if you use it to store special garments like coats or gowns, its built-in dehumidifier makes sure that your clothes stay in great condition and deodorizes them too. Another great cleaning device from Samsung is the Samsung JetBot AI Plus Robot Vacuum. We featured a lot of robot vacuums on Next Upgrade before, but this one has gotta be one of the most sophisticated ones yet. The JetBot AI can use artificial intelligence to automatically adjust its settings depending on what surface it's on, meaning it can effectively clean wooden floors and then turn up its power when it moves on to a carpet. It can also recognize objects in your home so it can avoid bumping into the more delicate items and even recognize whole rooms that you don't want it to go going. And with the help of its charging station, the JetBot AI can also clean itself while it's charging, making this smart vacuum one of the most convenient appliances on the market today. Our last couple of smart devices are both for when you're on the go naman. Number 9 is the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6, which is the brand's smartest watch yet. Aside from tracking the usual stuff like heart rate and BMI, this device can check other bodily signs like skin temperature to monitor things like your monthly cycle or the quality of your sleep. It's even got a built-in sleep coach that can help you get a better night's sleep by recommending different schedules based on your activity. And while it works best while working in unison with your phone, the Galaxy 6 has its own LTE connectivity, meaning it can still have full functionality even when you leave your phone at home. Plus points pa na it's also a stylish-looking watch with a bunch of straps you can buy to really customize your look. And the last item on our list is a device that can act as a hub for your smart home and as a key component for your Samsung ecosystem, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Samsung's flagship phone now comes with Galaxy AI, which unlocks all sorts of cool uses. You can use your stylus to draw a circle around some words you read on your phone, and it'll automatically Google those words. It's really handy if you need help with definitions or if you want to quickly look for a pic of something. Speaking of pics, Galaxy AI also powers the phone's Photo Assist feature, which lets you do high-level photo editing with just a few taps on your screen. With Note Assist, Galaxy AI can help summarize long pieces of text instantly, helping you understand things faster. These AI features can even help you understand foreign languages faster with real-time translations for messages and audio. And while Galaxy AI is the biggest new feature, you can expect all the other features that Samsung is known to bring to its flagship phones. Peerless, crisp displays, top-of-the-line processing power, incredible sound, and a fantastic 200-megapixel camera with zoom that can go as far as 100 times with AI assistance. And all this goes into a sleek yet tough titanium body that is very eye-catching. And that's it. Those are our picks for the 10 best Samsung smart devices in the market today. Do you have other stuff you want us to put on the list? Do let us know in the comments below. And make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and hit that bell button for notifications so you know when we upload a new episode. See you next week, neighbors.